I was kind of surprised to watch this. We go to our external modules. Again, just to remind you to enable a module. If you don't see it and you want to use it, and you click on enable modules, you'll see all the external modules we have available, which is now over 150, which is pretty exhausting. So it's nice to have a chance to do these videos, because we then can cut them and paste them on our website. You could take a look and see how these things work. So anyway, I pulled off the stay focused one, and as in most cases, there is some documentation here, so you can, and it's good documentation actually as compared to the single sentence that you get in some of these. So props to the developer who actually explained this pretty well, but it is fairly straightforward. So once you've enabled it, this works when you have a long set of questions. So I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to start. This is off of our antibody testing. I just grabbed the questionnaire off of there. So, you start entering data, and notice there's a lot of branching logic, and already the page is much longer. You have to fill all this out. Maybe, there's these must provide values or whatever, but so I'm just gonna stick in here. These are just answers I was when I was playing with this module earlier. So, at some point you start to get like tired, or Dessa, like you say, you get co-opted to something else. So if you look at the options for saving, yes, there's the save and exit form, but in case you've never really looked, there are other options here: save and exit record, save and go to next record, save mark survey as complete, but one of them is save and stay. So if you're doing this data entry and you just click on save and stay, what happens is a blue line will be drawn where you left off, and when you open back up, it will take you right to the spot that you were on. So what I did want to test is, if I come back out of this and open it, if you have all of this, I would recommend you hit the save and stay again. And let's see, am I in record 2? I am. So I'm guessing here, yeah, you'll need to make one edit somewhere to sort of draw that line to find out where you left off. But as long as you have this open and you refresh your window at some point, then you should be able to find where you left off. But this is called Stay Focused, and lets you kind of stop while you're doing your work and then come back and find out where you've left off. So that's called Stay Focused.